Hello my friends, how are you all? This video is sponsored by EIM Technology. The store link is in the description box below the video. You can use the special coupon Inventor AW to get a 15% discount. There is also a free gift STEM flash ruler with every order over $40. Don't miss the Black Friday offers. Now let us review an interesting product that will be very useful for kids and beginners. Here are the kits. Attached to the kits is a book to teach the basics of electronics and how to assemble the kits. I remind you when purchasing from EIM Technology, use the special coupon Inventor AW when checkout to get a 15% discount. This will be a special gift for your kids or grandchildren. Let's install some kits, as the book says. I know it's a classic, but it's good to know where it all started. I installed the kits in partnership with my children, they were so happy.